One of the most publicized parts of the train law is the reduction in personal income tax, leading to higher take-home pay. In the past, the tax rate ranges from 5% to 32%, depending on your tax bracket. But with Train, you no longer have to pay for personal income tax if you're an employee earning $250,000 or less every year. In a bid to reduce the incidence of obesity and diabetes, the Train law taxes sugar-sweetened beverages P6 per liter, while those with high fructose corn syrup are taxed P12 per liter. Milk products, natural fruit and vegetable juices, and prepackaged coffee products are exempted. If your car is worth more, your tax goes up from 10% to as much as 50% for vehicles worth over $2.4 million. You'll only be exempt from paying taxes if you're driving purely electric vehicles and pickups. But even if you already have your own car, you still have to keep up with the 8 pesos tax increase on petroleum products. Even diesel, kerosene, and LPG will now have taxes ranging from P1 to P3 per liter.